Hello friends, welcome to tootscorner.com videos. Today we will be talking about top 10 uses of blueberry for skin and hair care. Blueberries are delicious fruits which are highly beneficial for your body, skin and hair. They help in keeping your skin and hair healthy by protecting them from damage. They help in protecting your body from various diseases. The soluble fiber and insoluble fiber present in blueberries help in keeping you satiated for a longer period of time, thus preventing you from munching on any other food, which helps in preventing weight gain. These fruits boost your immunity system and help your body in fighting and from various infections and illness. Number 1. Helps in treating acne. Blueberries are considered to be extremely effective option for treating the problems of acne. Prepare a face pack by mixing together a few mashed blueberries, some turmeric powder and 3 drops of lime juice. Apply this on your face, wash it off after 20 minutes. Second one is helping toning your skin. Blueberries are considered to be an extremely beneficial for toning your skin. Prepare a face mask by mixing together 2 cups each of blueberries, honey and yogurt and 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. Apply this pack on your face. Wash it off after 20 minutes with cold water. Third one is helping nourishing the skin. Blueberries are considered to be extremely beneficial in keeping your skin healthy by nourishing and moisturizing it. Including blueberries in your diet will help in rejuvenating your skin and will give you a glowing look. Fourth one is helps in improving hair growth. Blueberries are considered to be an extremely effective way to get long and lustrous hair. The vitamin B complex present in blueberries is highly beneficial for keeping your hair healthy and for improving the growth of your hair. Fifth one is slow down the aging process of hair. Blueberries are also extremely helping in slowing down the aging process of hair and helping in making your hair thick and long. Sixth one is helps in exfoliating the skin. Blueberries help in exfoliating the skin by removing dead skin cells. A blueberry scrub will make sure that you look youthful and glowing. Prepare a scrub by mixing together mashed blueberries, ground almonds and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Scrub your face with this to get a glowing look. Seventh one is protect your skin from aging. Blueberries are considered to be extremely beneficial for your skin. They protect your skin from getting damaged by free radicals, which are the main cause of aging of the skin, thus keeping your skin healthy and youthful. Eighth one is helps in keeping your skin healthy. Blueberries are considered to be extremely beneficial for your skin. Blueberries contain fibers which help in keeping your skin healthy and rejuvenated. Ninth one is helps in treating damaged skin. Blueberries are extremely effective remedy to heal damaged skin. It protects your skin from being damaged by free radicals. 10th one is helps in treating dark spots. Blueberries are very effective in treating dark spots. Mix mashed blueberries with basil leaf paste and lemon water. Apply on your face to remove dark spots. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay happy. Goodbye.